So right now I am just going to explain about the Python basics. It's like it's just like a glance. It's just like a glance I am explaining about. Just like a glance. This charger, this is not working.
அதே வையில
அதேதான்.
சார்ஜரில் வையும் உயிரை வாங்காது எனக்கு வை என் மொபைல் தான் எனக்கு யூஸ்.
So right now I am explaining about Python because my mom was doing my channels, a lot of channels she was doing. So that's the reason I am just intimated to do this kind of this work. So as I am very strong in Python, so I'll no more description or no more anything. So I will explain it. I will just explain the Python basics in a few 2 minutes. I will explain 2 minutes. If I give my 2 minutes to you, definitely it will be sustained for our forever life. So that's the reason based on Python. If you want to strong in Python, the basic things is list the data types. Right now I am explaining about the data types. So that is the main thing. Data types. Data means storage of data of customers like videos, images, sensor data, PDF, images, documents. Everything has been scanned and it forms into database. So it is divided into structured and unstructured database. The structured database and unstructured database, what do you mean by that? If you say the structured database is like it's kind of structurally formed and it just goes inside the SQL or database. So unstructured data is like images, videos. So we have to convert it into the structured form and then we have to store it into the SQL. So that makes very perfect. So that is the main thing. And the second thing is like data types consist of list, dictionaries, tables, and set. So list is like inserting the data from the start or at the end or even in the middle. We can insert it. But the dictionary is like based on the keys and values only we have to present it. So that is in dictionaries. And a set is like we cannot be, and in the dictionaries we can make a key as a unique or duplicate, but in the set we cannot make it. And the duplicate, the tuple is like it is also the same as of tuples, but it cannot be changeable. Dictionary can be changed, the keys can be changed, the values can be changed, but tables cannot be changed. The most probably that the dictionary and table will be useful for many functionals, you say, or even for the scientists, they create it based on these terms. So that is called tables and dictionaries. And what all the OOPS concept? If we goes in OOPS concept, class, variables, and encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. If you compare with the class, so class is kind of things like one class is, if for example in one department, if you consider railway department, a lot of ministers will be there. So the main class is railway department. Inside that railway minister, another class is like food railway minister. Another class is train maintenance railway minister. Another class is maintenance of train service minister. So like this has been divided. So based on that class, inside class will be coming. And for example, if you want to call the food railway minister, we have to call the main, then we have to go inside like. So that is the technique which goes into the class. And variable is like variable is like my name is Jayabalan, so that is called a variable. Like uniqueness should be there, so that is the variables. And if you go with encapsulations, it's like a constant values like